Hello everyone. Today I am in Kingswinford, which is in the borough of Dudley. I am visiting Dudley Sports Crown Green Bowling Club. It's a lovely setting. Have a walk round. Lovely clubhouse. This is a ladies' league. There is 6 aside. And the jack, which is that yellow ball there. The aim is to get at least one of your 2 balls closer to the jack than your opponent. And if you get 2 closer than any of your opponents, you get 2 shots. And it's the first to 21. So we'll just watch this end. See how the green, it's not flat, it's got dips and hollows and a camber. Okay everyone. As always, if you enjoy my content, please do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Talking of thumbs up, I'll see you on the next one.